Hi everyone, we are back. I'm just going to wait for Biraj to join us. Hi Biraj, do send me. Hi Sagat. Hello Seth. Do you send me a request to join Biraj? Yeah, I got it. Yes, Biraj, can
No,
you see me?
I cannot see you.
Oh, you can't see me. My God, we can still see you again.
I
We
don't
can see
know. You are not.
you both. Let's continue then.
Yeah. I am ready with it.
Let's
Yeah,
continue.
yeah.
Yeah, looking lovely, looking lovely. And yes, so to everyone here, I think we have quite a few joined in. Hi, everybody. I do hope you know we have our Bagnari live with us today. And let me introduce you to her. So, Viraj Shah, she's the visionary founder of Sri Anugraha Jewels. Viraj
Yes,
recognized the middle
ma'am.
class desire for diamonds without
Uh,
Viraj recognized
your
the
voice
middle
is
class
not
desire for
reaching to
diamonds
me.
without the hefty price. It's not reaching?
No, no.
Is it better now?
Yeah, now I can listen to you.
Okay, Biraj, give me 2 minutes. I'm going to introduce you to our
Yeah,
audience.
yeah.
Okay, so Biraj recognized the middle class desire for diamonds without the hefty price tag. So she introduced lab grown diamonds as an accessible and affordable alternative. With in depth consumer research and a focus on educating the audience, she has successfully challenged the perception of diamonds being something that's exclusive and luxurious to something that's affordable and accessible to all. We are very proud to welcome our Bagnari Biraj Shah, who's redefining the diamond industry. Welcome, Biraj.
Thank you so much
Biraj,
for
I
giving
want
me
to
a lovely
understand from you, why
gesture.
did you thank you. Why did you choose diamonds as a business venture?
Uh,
What inspired you to do that?
Very honestly, let me say that I did not choose diamond as a business. It was passion for me. I will just give you my short briefing. I did 12 years property consultant. In 2020 end, when I came to know that there is some diamond which are called as lab grown diamond, but were mixed with the natural and given to the people. But the price difference was very much. So I was shocked on that, and I was not ready to believe. And it's like each and every woman's dream for diamonds. They know that gold is investment, but diamond is a luxurious item, but they still love in diamonds only. उनके लिए diamond बहुत ही important रहता है. But coming to the middle class, they always dream to buy, but they couldn't buy.
True.
So when
True.
I heard about lab-grown
That
diamond,
was really
so I was shocked about it. That they are equivalent to natural diamond. So I was like, how it is possible? So I did a little bit of investment in that. And believe me, ma'am, I went to all big stores, to the local jewelries, saying about them, this is a natural diamond. Can you give me the detailing for the buyback? Or what will be the same pricing if I'm going to make it for this? And it was 7 times more than to the natural prices. So for that, I was shocked. And then I came to know that nobody with the naked eyes can check it out whether this diamond is natural diamond or lab grown diamond. And if I'm coming to the pricing, the natural diamond, which is VVS color E, priced to near about 7 lakh rupees. This is coming only into 70,000 rupees.
wow. That's
Uh,
amazing. That's amazing. Okay,
so
so I'm not so familiar, and I'm sure a lot of people aren't familiar. What is so special about lab grown diamonds?
I must explain you how they are made. See, whenever we are buying natural diamond, we source this diamond from out of India. They are not from India, okay? So when the natural diamond we source from out of India, we take one small seeds from that and give them equal heat and temperature in the lab and make them grow. The natural diamond grows under the earth in the warm of earth naturally, and it takes long years. And this is grown under the lab with giving equal heat and temperature, and it takes hardly 21 days to 3 months, depending on the size of the diamond. I can tell you the simple example like a test tube baby. Except parent, nobody know whether his or her child is a test tube. But when they work, can you recognize whether this child is natural child or a test tube child? So this is same with the Lebron diamond. Okay, to whomsoever if you will show, until and unless you will tell them okay, they are Lebron, nobody can make out whether this diamond is natural diamond or Lebron diamond.
Wow, this is brilliant. That's
So
really
for
brilliant. I
me,
think
my
that's
target
amazing.
was like,
And
okay, let me educate to the client about the diamond and who till years were thinking whether I can buy diamond, whether I can afford it, whether I can give to my husband or can I give to my mother or can my loved ones. But this is a platform in Lebron where you can buy, where you can enjoy and you can fulfill your dreams wearing diamond.
very nice. And so for the next, how do you convince the middle class consumers that diamonds is an accessible and
Yeah, so
it's not such an expensive
not
investment
at
after all.
all.
What
But
steps do
believe
you
me,
take on a daily
making
basis?
confirm to people that this is equally to natural was very much tough for me. And actually, first I planned for B2B because it's like डॉक्टर हो या सीए हो या ज्वेलर हो वो हमेशा हम एक ही रखते हैं क्योंकि उनके ऊपर हमें ट्रस्ट रहता है कि अगर उन्होंने हमको जो बोला है वो सही है. So first I went it for B2B. I reached to each and every store educating about the Lebron diamond and telling them please at least explain to the layman, let them make the choice whatever is their choice whether to buy diamond, natural diamond or a Lebron. But they were like, get lost. If we will tell to laymen that there is no difference between natural and lab grown, then who will buy of crores of rupees ka natural diamond? So I said, no, this will not work. Let me only start all this. So I started educating to the people, telling me that I'm giving you 8 days. Keep one product from me, for example, of 50,000. Go to your jeweler. You don't tell them this is lab grown diamond. Ask them to what will be the quality of it, and if they tell you it is artificial, come to me, I'll give you 100% buyback. And if they couldn't recognize, then you have to select your hardness money to where you to have invest in that.
Wow. So you've offered a buyback initially.
No, till now I'm offering. But जब स्टार्टिंग की हमारी शुरुआत होती थी तो वो लोग बोलते थे कि बिराज आप लेब्रोन क्या समझा रहे हो वो हमें समझ में तो नहीं आ रहा है पर एक हमारी गुडविल है जैसे कि मैंने 12 साल प्रॉपर्टी कंसल्टेंट का काम किया तो पीपल बिलीव टू मी फॉर बाइंग एनी प्रॉपर्टीज तो वो गुडविल मुझे बहुत अच्छा यूज हुआ ये लेब्रोन डायमंड के बारे में जब मुझे वर्क करना था.
तो आपके स्टोर्स कहाँ कहाँ पे हैं?
I start my beginning in Kandivali and this is my second store in Lakshmi Industrial Estate, Andheri West from last 1.5 years. And believe me, ma'am, यहाँ पे with zero reference, I started my beginning. People have started believing me and repeatedly coming and buying from me. Our USPs for buyback as well as customizing.
How many years?
Total I completed 5 years. From Andheri, I'm there from last 1.5 years.
Oh, nice. Very nice. That's very nice. And now what do you think आगे 5 साल में ये मतलब इसका क्या मार्केट रहेगा?
I believe cases whenever you are coming like a layman to me, asking me the explanation, I am saying it is your hard-earned money. I am not saying you are not affordable. I'll be just telling you, people who are coming over here, they are like कि हम लोग ने solitaires खरीदे हैं 20 लाख के 10 लाख के, but that we are not able to wear because we need security. That all is there in a locker only. Because in India there is no house which are without the maid. Okay, so for our security we will not keep lakh of rupees ka jewelry at our house. So Lebron is a platform where affordability does not matter, where you are secure, where you want you can wear it and enjoy also. And second thing, coming to the any class, whoever is thinking कि मैं 20,000 का भी diamond पहन सकती हूँ और whoever is thinking कि मैं 1 लाख का भी खरीद सकती हूँ.
करेक्ट एंड तो आप अपने स्टोर मतलब आपके स्टोर की क्या खासियत है मतलब आप आपके लोग उनको आपके जो स्टोर पीपल है उनको ट्रेन करते उनको बताते हैं उनको समझाते हैं क्या है मतलब व्हाट्स द स्पेशलिटी ऑफ द स्टोर हाउ डिड
you buy from us we
as in
give you
basically how did you construct the store to enable this
sorry I couldn't hear you can you tell me once again.
So how are you enabling this kind of education and awareness in your store?
Ma'am, we are just doing one thing. I'm telling you, I'm educating you. Choice is yours. तो हमारे स्टोर के स्टाफ है, वो भी हमसे इंस्पायर होके बोलते हैं कि लेट्स स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑल दिस. फर्स्ट दे वर गेटिंग हेजिटेट, क्योंकि अब तक वो लोग नेचुरल डायमंड की
हाँ
ज्वेलरी में काम करते थे. नाउ दे आर कमिंग टू आवर स्टोर एंड वर्किंग एंड दैट. But right now they are very happy and satisfied. And the best part is that today's generations are very smart enough to take decision whether they should go for natural diamond or lab grown diamond. They are telling their parents, okay, let's come along over here and let's switch to lab grown diamond rather than putting lakhs of rupees in natural diamond. And our best USP is that
makes sense.
whatever product you are buying from us, we are giving you authenticity with the certificate with HUID of government. So अगर हमने आपको बोला है कि हमारा गोल्ड 14 कैरेट या 18 कैरेट है, तो दैट इज कम्प्लीटली 100%. प्लस हमारी यूएसपी बायबैक की है जो लेब्रोन में बहुत कम मिलती है. And the best is customization. Each and every woman have the dream of wearing XYZ of designery jeweler, which is very much difficult to design it. But here, please you do come, experience your expectation, and we will try 100% to fulfill that.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. और आपको मतलब जस्ट अ बगनारी क्वेश्चन. तो नॉर्मली डायमंड्स के फील्ड में आई हैव नॉट सीन टू मेनी वुमेन एक्सेप्ट इन द डिजाइन फील्ड, बट जो स्टोर जो बिजनेस ओन करते हैं डायमंड्स ज्वेलरी हैव बीन मोस्टली मेल in what I have seen, at least in the past. So I don't know if that is changing right now. Of course, the women are helping out, but you have solely taken this on and gone forward.
Yes.
So have you as a woman faced any thing when you interact with your vendors?
Absolutely, yes.
When you interact
And
with your
lots
other people?
of criticism, and that criticism made me more powerful to come over here and reach over here.
Yes, I know. I
And the basic
understand that. Correct.
question was like, मैम आज
And
आप हो, कल आप नहीं होगे, तो आप तो एक औरत हो, हम आपके पास कैसे पहुंचेंगे, हम आपके लिए क्या करेंगे. मैंने बोला आप वैसा सोच रहे हो ना, हम तो आपको पूरी सर्विस देने लिए आए हैं. So now they have started accepting. They are more comfortable with us because once they come over here, see, understanding the customer need is a very big power role. If you have that sense of understanding your customer expectation, you are there to reach their needs.
वेरी ट्रू, कंप्लीटली. एंड वो आपको ऐसा कौन सा मोमेंट लगा कि अनुग्रह ज्वेलर्स मतलब अब ये हमने सक्सेस, हम अभी स्टेबल है, हम अभी चल रहे हैं आगे, व्हेन डिड यू फील सक्सेस
Ma'am,
in
to
your
be
business?
very honest, we are passionate and we are never can say that no, today I'm satisfied. It is always you are fighting and you are working hard each and every day. Or each and every day you are getting a good experience and you are coming up with that. So I won't say that no, I'm satisfied. Till the dreams have just started and we have to reach a lot of miles.
वेरी ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू. और ये आपके फैमिली में कौन कौन है, मतलब डू यू हैव किड्स, आपके बच्चे हैं?
I cannot listen your voice, ma'am.
नहीं, आपके फैमिली में कौन कौन है, मतलब आपके घर में कौन कौन है?
मेरे घर में मेरे इन-लॉज हैं, मेरे 2 बेटे और एक बेटी है, and my husband. And believe me, there is nobody from my jewelry field. This was my passion. This is my baby. Because of their all support, I've reached over here.
Very nice, very interesting. And how do you manage work and home and life, अपना
See, I
personal
believe
ध्यान, how do you manage that?
whenever you are achieving the success, it is never only you. It is always us. So for me, with my Guruji's blessing, with my beautiful family, with my beautiful family staff, so-called, they have been always helped me. And like, ma'am, as you are being so passionate and energetic, we would love to connect with you and we would try to become like you. तो ये सबके सपोर्ट से हम यहाँ पर हैं आज.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. और ये आपके ये ज्वेल्स का जो बिजनेस है, आपके पर्सनालिटी, आपके पर्सनल लाइफ और आपके पर्सनालिटी पे क्या चेंजेस आए, या आप पहले से ऐसे कॉन्फिडेंट है?
Yes, confident. See, my Gurujis tell me कि अगर आप सही हो, so there is nobody to pull you out. If you are honest, you are more authentic, then go with your passion. You are always available to reach the goal.
That's amazing. Who's your Guruji?
My Guru if you can see the picture behind me, and through whose only
I could
am
see. I was curious actually.
yes, through him only my store name is Sri Anugrah Jewels. So I'll just tell you one more minute for him. When I tried to switch myself from property consultant to the lab-grown diamond jeweler, I went to meet him and saying, "Okay, Guruji, I need your Ashirwad as I'm coming to completely new platform with anybody else support and everything." So he was like, "Tell me why you want to switch your business from this field to the lab-grown diamond jewelry." तो आई वाज लाइक कि अगर मैं लोगों तक पहुंच सकती हूँ कि लैब ग्रोन डायमंड ज्वेलरी है जो हर एक वुमन का सपना है पहनने का, तो उसके आप लैब ग्रोन डायमंड ज्वेलरी तरीके से आप उसको सपना वो पूरा कर सकते हो। ही आस्क्ड मी ट्वाइस थ्राइस के लोगों के लिए है, अगर आप दूसरों के लिए सोचते हैं तो कर्मा विल हेल्प यू टू रीच योर सक्सेस आल्सो। सो माय ब्लेसिंग इज देयर एंड यू कैन गो विद इट।
That is so sweet. What a nice thing to say. And तो आपको ये एडवाइस मिला, आप दूसरों को, जो लोग अभी ज्वेलरी में एंटर कर रहे हैं, यंग लड़कियां हैं, उनको भी करना है ज्वेलरी, उनको या उनके आपके साथ क्या काम करना है, आप उनको क्या बताते हैं? what advice would you give someone who wants to enter the jewelry business? Because आप अभी उसको समझ सकते हैं क्या कॉम्प्लिकेशन है, क्या इजी है, you know. What advice would you give somebody?
To be very honest, I'll be telling to each and every woman that age is only a number. At any age, you can take your decision with a firm decision, with your passion and your authenticity. I'll be telling that at the age of 40, I took decision to convert myself from property consultant to this lab-grown diamond jewelry.
Wow.
तो अगर आप में एक हौसला है, क्रिटिसिज्म आती रहेगी, पर वो क्रिटिसिज्म को हमें नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट पे नहीं लेना है, उसको अपनी स्ट्रेंथ बनानी है और लोगों को दिखाना है कि या वी कैन डू इट वेरी इजीली, डू नॉट वरी।
Very true, very true. That's very, very good advice. I hope there are a lot of women here who are hearing her. And let me go through the comments. There's somebody asking, do you have colored diamonds?
Yeah.
क्या आपके पास कलर डायमंड है?
हाँ जी, हमारा सपना ये है कि हमारे स्टोर पे जो भी औरत, हस्बैंड, whoever is coming inside, understanding their need and fulfilling it, कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे हैं वो है ही नहीं शब्द। अगर आपको उनके साथ कनेक्ट करना है तो पहला स्टेप है आपको हमको उनको सर्विस देनी है। दैट्स इट।
वेरी नाइस, गुड गुड। अच्छा, अभी हम एक क्विक rapid fire round with the pataka that we have here. I love your energy, Viraj. So a quick rapid fire with you. आपका favorite comfort food क्या है?
Simple दाल राइस।
दाल राइस गुजराती वाला या नॉर्मल वाला?
मीठा खाइए, मीठा बोलिए और मीठा बनिए।
Okay, and मीठा बोलिए। I love Gujarati dal, by the way, one of my favorites. And your favorite
lunch time, and every day the dal rice is available.
Oh my God, what a joy. अच्छा, तो पूरे दिन के बाद, मतलब इतने हल्ले के बाद, how do you relax? आपका me time में आप क्या करते हो?
Believe me, my me time is very rarely available. Because if I tell you what is my store timing, so it is from morning 10:30 and the evening actual time is 9 o'clock. But if somebody calls me at 8:30 also asking if are you available, we would like to customize some design with you. So my store was open till 11:30 evening 12 also. तो अगर कोई कस्टमर अपने पास एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है तो we are always available for them.
Amazing, amazing. और आपका गिल्टी प्लेजर क्या है? कि आपको पिक्चर देखना पसंद है कि आपका फेवरेट मतलब
I like to travel more, and as I am saying, I am a religious person. तो वो एक हमारा Krishna religion रहता है कि that is a necessity. Without breath you cannot live. Without religious you should not live. I believe in that.
So your favorite travel destination would be?
Sorry, I cannot listen you. What you asked me?
आपका फेवरेट ट्रैवल डेस्टिनेशन क्या होगा?
Travel destination anywhere with my husband. I'm very much comfortable. Bas he should be there with me.
How sweet. That's such a sweet thing to say. आपका कोई भी मतलब ऐसा किताब या मूवी जिसने आपको इंस्पायर किया है?
Then किताब के बारे में अगर बोले तो I'll be honest with you. My mentor is my Guruji. Whatever he does, we follow to that.
Okay. That is nice. That is really nice. And जो आपके फ्रेंड सर्कल में है या आपके क्लाइंट्स में से है, आई डोंट थिंक दे वुड नो यू पर्सनली, एनी स्किल जो लोगों को पता नहीं कि आप में वो है, वो एक कोई स्किल है, आप कोई अलग सा लैंग्वेज बोल सकते हैं, आप कोई इज देयर एनी स्किल या टैलेंट जो लोगों को पता नहीं जो आप में है, हिडन टैलेंट और स्किल?
Talent, then I can tell कि if my customer is coming to me and just sharing with me कि what they are expecting, the closing will be done by my side कि आपके हिसाब से what it will comfort to you, what will you carry more, और आपको क्या चीज पहन के आप में सुंदरता ज्यादा अच्छी लगेगी और जिसमें आपका कॉन्फिडेंस ज्यादा बढ़े.
ओ रियली? ओ रियली? मतलब वो एक पर्सनलाइज जो है आप में. So everyone who comes go to the store and ask for Biraj. Okay, she will give you. That's amazing. और अभी आपका फेवरेट पीस ऑफ ज्वेलरी क्या है खुद के लिए?
What my favorite? What did you ask me?
आपका फेवरेट पीस ऑफ ज्वेलरी?
From top to end, you tell me to wear it 24 hours, changing 24 times, I am ready to do it.
Sure. Can I see what you have? I mean, I think that's really pretty.
Thank you.
What you have on your ears.
It's a butterfly.
Oh, that's really pretty. Oh my God. So, very nice, very nice. I think those are beautiful designs, and hats off to you, Biraj. I'm very happy to meet you, and I love your energy, and I wish you all the best. Thank you everyone for joining us here today. Biraj has really, really inspired all of us. I hope we all continue to turn entrepreneurs, grow this country, and have the same dedication that Biraj has. Thank you so much. So nice to speak to you.
I would just like telling one more thing कि please be confident. आप में वो हिम्मत है, हर एक औरत में वो हिम्मत है, अगर वो चाहे तो वो सब कर सकती है, पर वो शिद्दत के साथ और नीति के साथ.
Yes, bang on. That's true. Thank you, Biraj. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.